Want to learn how to create professional videos like this in minutes? Google's Veo 3 is dominating the AI video space right now. Creators are using it to make amazing product ads, and you can too. What's the secret? They're using JSON code prompts to get insane results. These code blocks are the ultimate way to give AI models context to create whatever you can imagine, but you don't have to be a software engineer or know anything about code at all to do this yourself. Let's dive into Veo 3, Google's latest AI video generation model, and it's probably the best on the market for creating realistic, mind-bending content. But just like any AI platform, what you get out of it can only be as good as what you put into it. That's where prompting, or in nerd terms, context engineering, comes in. Google's DeepMind website has an overview of what makes an effective prompt, providing details like style, lighting, and character set the scene. But you can dive deep into cinematic shots by using industry-standard, Hollywood-style camera directions and shot styles. The technical things most of us don't know a lot about. That's where JSON prompts can help you go from newbie to pro without having to be a Hollywood director or a coder. A JSON prompt is a block of code. It's not super technical code, but it probably looks scary if you're not familiar. Don't worry, it's easy, and I'll show you how to use JSON to create epic shots without writing a single line of code. Because luckily, we have ChatGPT. To write a prompt, we'll use a prompt. It's kind of meta, really. So I'll ask ChatGPT to create a JSON prompt for a KRK Studio monitor unboxing ad video. It will give you something like this code block here. It's really that easy. Next, we just have to put this in Veo 3. You can search for Veo 3 on Google to find it, but make sure to click on a .google link because there are a lot of copycat scams out there trying to get in the way. There's two ways to use Veo, either inside Gemini directly or in Google Flow. It's basically the same thing, but Flow lets you generate more videos per day. Flow also gives you a bit more functionality to create projects and that sort of thing. It's sort of like their creator studio for AI videos. Flow gives you options for video size, either horizontal or vertical. Vertical is great for making mobile-friendly content, and it's really cool to have that option now. They just added that capability a couple of days ago, and I bet we're about to see an explosion of really cool videos all over TikTok over the next few weeks. You can also select how many video outputs you want to get. Just keep in mind, every video it generates is 20 credits. I think you get 1,000 credits a month, so that's just something to consider. And it also has the option to use the fast generation model or the pro-grade quality model. For most videos, the fast model is really good, but if you're planning to use this for paid advertising or something really serious, the quality model might be worth it. But in either Gemini or Flow, the process is the same. Just paste in the copied JSON code from ChatGPT and it will do the rest. Here's what it came up with for my KRK unboxing ad. That is freaking cool. There are some things I love about it and some things I don't. I don't like that there are already studio monitors on the desk before the unboxing. I'd like to see this a bit different. For anything you want to see, just be as specific as you can when writing your original prompt in ChatGPT, and keep testing it to get the perfect video. One really good place to start is by using other people's prompts that have already been refined, and you can find these all over the web. Just search for Veo 3 JSON prompt guides, and tons of examples come up. Here's a page with some really creative ads you can watch, for example, like this one. They've clearly perfected this prompt, so it's a great starting point for you to give ChatGPT as a starting reference so you can make something similar. There's several different examples on this page, like this one. The trick is to find a prompt that's similar to something you want to create, then copy that and ask ChatGPT to create a JSON prompt for your idea, using this code as a reference. This guide from ImagineArt has some really good tips for JSON prompt best practices. As we already touched on, you want to be as descriptive as possible, so instead of saying a person in a park, describe their clothing, the time of day, and the season. Using cinematic terminology is something I mentioned too, and that's where ChatGPT can be really helpful if you don't know terms like dolly zoom. Just make sure you tell ChatGPT what kind of motion you want in your video, and it will translate it into Hollywood director terms for you. And then, obviously, just keep iterating on your prompt and refining the wording until you get exactly what you're looking for. The smallest changes can have a big impact, so changing and adding details will really help refine your videos. I'll leave a link to both of this whole prompt guide and the JSON example page down below, but you can also find these and a whole lot more just by Googling, and that also really helps get your creative juices flowing. Hopefully, this tutorial gave you a few ideas for creating some epic videos and taught you something new about advanced prompting with JSON. If you found it helpful, smash the like button so I know to keep creating more videos like this. As always, stay curious